Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning Narrator off using the fastest controls. Press Win plus Control plus Enter once to toggle Narrator. This usually stops speech immediately. If you prefer the UI, open Settings, go to Ease of Access, then Narrator. You'll see the main toggle at the top. Once done, glance at voice and volume lines so you don't accidentally mute system audio later. Make sure to keep the keyboard in hand. The next steps use shortcuts and menu navigation to finish cleanup. Next, refine the settings so Narrator won't reactivate or keep speaking. In Narrator settings, turn off Start Narrator after sign-in so it won't relaunch automatically. If audio persists, lower the voice volume slider or change the voice to confirm the setting takes effect. Use the Narrator shortcut control to silence ongoing speech immediately and use Control again to resume if needed. Make sure that you test a short text. This proves the setting works and prevents surprises when you sign out or restart. Finally, ensure Narrator is fully closed and won't return. If the toggle or shortcuts didn't work, open Task Manager, find Narrator. EXE and choose End Task to close the process. Once ended, sign out or restart your PC to clear any cached settings. If Narrator restarts or won't close, disable it in Ease of Access and check for pending Windows updates. Fixes often arrive with updates. Troubleshooting tip: if End Task fails, run a restart immediately. This usually stops any stuck accessibility process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.